If you're considering using LeadsGenerator AI, you're in the right place. In this LeadsGenerator AI review, I'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know about this recently released software that's making waves in the digital marketing world. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this AI tool can really help you generate leads more efficiently. Stick with me. There are some game-changing insights coming up that you won't want to miss. First off, let me just say that LeadsGenerator AI has been designed to streamline lead generation for marketers, sales teams, and businesses looking to increase conversions. If you're in any of these categories, you know how important it is to get quality leads fast, and LeadsGenerator claims to do that and more. One of the biggest highlights of this software is its ease of use. When you first open it up, the interface is clean, simple, and intuitive. No need to be an AI expert to start using it right away. For new users, the learning curve is minimal, which is a major plus for anyone who wants results quickly without having to dive deep into complex setups or tutorials. The second feature that stands out is its advanced targeting capabilities. Unlike basic lead generation tools, LeadsGenerator AI uses smart algorithms to identify highly qualified leads based on specific demographics, behaviors, and intent signals. This means you won't be wasting time chasing prospects who aren't ready to convert. The software analyzes user data to pinpoint exactly who is most likely to take action, saving you valuable resources. LeadsGenerator also offers automation, a must-have in today's fast-paced marketing landscape. You can set up your campaigns to automatically collect and sort leads based on your custom parameters. This allows you to focus on strategy while the software handles the tedious task of gathering and organizing leads. It's like having an AI-powered marketing assistant that never sleeps. Another key point is its integration with popular platforms. If you're already using tools like Zapier, Google Ads, or even CRMs like Salesforce, LeadsGenerator easily integrates with them, allowing you to sync your lead generation efforts seamlessly with your existing marketing stack. This reduces friction and ensures that all your data stays in one place for easy analysis. One thing that really impressed me is the real-time lead scoring. Instead of waiting days or weeks to see which leads are performing best, LeadsGenerator AI gives you real-time insights into which leads are most engaged. This lets you prioritize high-value prospects and adjust your campaigns on the fly, improving your overall ROI. The software also provides comprehensive analytics. Check. From conversion rates to lead quality, you'll get detailed insights into the performance of your campaigns. This data-driven approach helps you make informed decisions and fine-tune your marketing strategy for better results. And finally, let's talk about support. If you're new to AI-driven tools, it's always nice to know that help is just a click away. LeadsGenerator AI offers top-notch customer service, including live chat, email support, and a robust knowledge base that can guide you through any issues or questions you might have. Now, if you're intrigued by what you've heard so far, I have some great news. You can try LeadsGenerator AI completely free from the first link in the description below. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss your chance to test out the software and see how it works for your business. In conclusion, after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that LeadsGenerator AI is one of the most promising options for marketers looking to scale their lead generation efforts. With its ease of use, powerful features, and seamless integrations, it's a solid choice for anyone who wants to take their business to the next level. Don't forget to check out the recommended AI software in the description below. After testing out countless options, these are the ones that I believe can make the biggest impact for you. Thanks for watching.